How many regions are there in the Philippines?
Region?
Oo.
I think 17.
Pakitlo.
17?
Correct! What is the highest mountain in the world?
Everest.
Ha?
Everest.
Correct! Which is the longest bone in the body?
Spine?
Wrong.
Bone?
Oo.
Femur.
Correct! If a number is divisible by 6, then it is also divisible by 3 and what other number?
Ano yan, Matt?
Yes.
Ano po?
If a number is divisible by 6, then it is also divisible by 3 and what other number?
69.
Wrong!
2?
Correct! How many elements are there in the periodic table?
119.
Wrong! Malapit na.
124.
Ha? Wrong!
121?
Wrong!
Ano sinagot mo kanina?
119 sabi.
117?
Wrong!
115.
Ano? Click.
150.
Wrong!
118.
Ha?
118.
Correct!
Wala na lang tayo eh.
How many tentacles does an octopus have?
8?
Correct! In figure of speech, it is a statement which conveys the exact opposite meaning of what is literally being said.
What is literally being said?
Oo. Irony.
Correct!
Design?
Branch of science that deals with the study of life.
Cell.
Wrong!
Chemistry? Chemistry?
Wrong!
Biology.
Correct! Earth sits within a solar system which in turn sits within which galaxy?
Ha?
Milky Way.
Correct! What is the biome of cactus?
Hala? Desert?
Correct! Ano mga pangalan nyo?
Misaki?
Ikaw.
Jin.
Ikaw.
Francesca Princess Era Diana.
Yes! Thank you so much. Thank you.